English alphabet for the beginner. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Big letters are uppercase, or capital letters. Small letter are called lowercase letter. Now let's start to learn the upper and lower case on the English alphabet with fruit theme. Please watching, listen, read and repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's continue to another section. Capital A, lowercase a. Fruits names that begin with the letter A. A for almond. A for apple. A for avocado. Capital B, lowercase b. Fruits names that begin with the letter B. B for blueberry. B for banana. Capital C, lowercase c. Fruits names that begin with the letter C. C for cranberry. C for cherry. Capital D, lowercase d. Fruits names that begin with the letter D. D for date. D for dragon fruit. D for durian. Capital E, lowercase e. Fruits names that begin with the letter E. E for egg fruit. Capital F, lowercase f. Fruits names that begin with the letter F. F for ficho. F for fig. Capital G, lowercase g. Fruits names that begin with the letter G. G for grape. G for guava. Capital H, lowercase h. Fruits names that begin with the letter H. H for hazelnut. H for honeydew. Capital I, lowercase I. Fruits names that begin with the letter I. I for imbe. Capital J, lowercase j. Fruits names that begin with the letter J. J for jackfruit. Capital K, lowercase k. Fruits names that begin with the letter K. K for kiwi fruit. Capital L, lowercase l. Fruits names that begin with the letter L. L for a lemon. L for a lime. L for a lychee. Capital M, lowercase m. Fruits names that begin with the letter M. M for mandarin melon berry. M for mango. M for mangosteen. M for matoa. Capital N, lowercase n. Fruits names that begin with the letter N. N for Nance. N for Nashi. N for nectarine. Capital O, lowercase o. Fruits names that begin with the letter O. O for Olalia berry. O for Oliver. O for orange. Capital P. Lowercase p. Fruits names that begin with the letter P. P for papaya. P for peach. P for pear. P for persimmon. P for plum. P for pomegranate. Capital Q. Lowercase q. Fruits names that begin with the letter Q. Q for quince. Capital R. Lowercase r. Fruits names that begin with the letter R. R for rambutan. R for raspberry. Capital S. Lowercase s. Fruits names that begin with the letter S. S for star fruit. S for strawberry. Capital T. Lowercase t. Fruits names that begin with the letter T. T for tamarillo. T for tamarind. T for tangelo. T for tomato. Capital U. Lowercase u. Fruits names that begin with the letter U. U for ugni. Capital V. Lowercase v. Fruits names that begin with the letter V. V for vanilla. Capital W. Lowercase w. Fruits names that begin with the letter W. W for watermelon. Capital X. Lowercase x. Fruits names that begin with the letter X. X for xiang lei. Capital Y. Lowercase y. Fruits names that begin with the letter Y. Y for yang mei. Y for yuzu. Capital Z. Lowercase z. Fruits names that begin with the letter Z. Z for zapote. Z for zucchini. For the beginner, be diligent, read as well, recognize letters successfully. As a sign of support for this learning, please click like and subscribe. Hopefully diligently make an exercise. Meet again in another episode. Good luck. And thank you very much.